Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check fix Instagram filters and effects on showing problems, so let's fix it. I give you tips to fix this problem. So the first tip is going to your Play Store or App Store, depend on what you have, and then let's go to search and looking for Instagram. Okay, so then you have to check if there is an update. Like it's my case, if there is an update, just press update and until this finish to get the app. So if you don't have an update and continue this problem, let's go to check our internet connection. Let's go to settings, and then on settings, let's go to Wi-Fi. Here on Wi-Fi, you have to check if your internet connection is good. If your internet connection is not good, probably the effects on your filters won't be loaded. So you have to check this one. And the last tip is go to the storage on Instagram. So long press to Instagram, and then let's go to app info. So let's wait a little bit and you can check here the storage. It is 1 GB. You can see here. So also this make no load the filters and effects on Instagram. So I recommend you to clear all data from the storage on Instagram and then reopen again. This will help you to load all the effects and filters on the app. So I hope one of these tips helps you to fix the problem. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.